Hi guys, how are you today? It's another crazy week and we're here for another crazy unboxing episode of an order I got from Shopee. Let's begin.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So before we proceed with our main business today, share lang ko, last week I watched the Avengers Endgame movie sa SMC side and it's really nice. And good thing kay gamay ra kayong nagasto. So I got movie ticket nga gihatag sa office. This was way back last year niya. Wala man siya expiration date, so ako siyang gi-keep sa akong wallet. And since na ay time, and I decided to come with my office mates and watch the end game. So this is the ticket. So it cost 240 pesos and kanisha is 180. So it's just like I watched the movie for about 60 pesos. So may na. Not bad. And for 3 hours for 260 pesos. So it's just like paying 86 pesos and 67 cents if I'm not mistaken per hour. So I think it's really worth it. Wala ko nakasubaybay sa Avengers, but I still decided to watch the movie. Sabi palang bugo di kasabot sa plot sa story. So, but kidding aside, masabtan naman jud ang plot sa story, but naya po curiosity mo tingala ka kinsa to siya nga character nganong nigawas to siya nganong nasukot siya ani nga character nganong inana yang reaction. So it would still better if you watch the previous Avengers nga mga movies para you can connect the dots and really appreciate the movie better. But again, dili siya requirement to nga kinahanglan jud nimo tan-awon before ka mo tan-aw sa Endgame kay for all you know mawala na siya sa cinema. Pa-showing na sa dang lain nga or ang feature na sa dang lain nga movies. But going back to our main purpose for today, we will be unboxing another order from Shopee. I got the package here. I got a scissor. Let's get the ball rolling. Further ado, ato na siyang i-open. Using the scissors I have in my hand, and kani siya nga item since last year pag ginan ako siya giplanuhan o palit, but ginuno na pagud gihapon ako kung kinahanglan pagud siya at that time, and bag-o lang gid ko naka-decide nga paliton na gud siya kay kinahanglan ako siya in one of my projects sa office. So it's just like having a thesis bitaw, but na siya sa work so that I can get the certificate. And so I decided to buy this item kay gamit siya at the same time magamit sad nako siya sa ato ang mga vlogging sessions. So this is actually a video light, mini LED video light from Ulanzi. This is a known product sa kanang mga accessories, and similar with Andover, kani siya Andover sad, so mura siya kakompetensya sila for this kind of stuff. So mani siya ang box, and nasa likod ang iyang features. So what's inside the box? It contains 1 unit of the mini LED light, 2 filters, white and yellow, or warm light and katong bright nga light, and then 1 portable bag. I think nana siya pouch if I'm not mistaken, and it has 96 ultra light LED beads. So let's begin unboxing this. So I'll show this to you. Oops. Okay. So it has a charger, micro USB wire. I think money siya ang unit. Na siya pouch, velvet pouch. And then mga manual. So I'll just put aside the box and the wire. So we'll have this opened. Okay. Right, so this is the actual item. Di siya kay dako. So it's just around 6 inches maybe, or 4. So, na siya cold shoe mount or hot shoe. Libog yapon ko kung saan na siya. But, kani siya, ma-attach ni siya sa ato ang holder. So, i-slide ra siya. Dire. Uy, okay. There. But, we'll check this out later on sa itsura niya when it comes to vlogging setup. But, muna siyang item. And it has two filters, kaning white and napo siya yellow. And what's really cool about this is magnetic siya. So nasa magnet and ma-attach siya. So this is interchangeable sa yellow. So whatever mong feel or say gusto nimo nga type sa light nga yang i-produce, so pwede nimo siya ma-swap. And another feature is it comes with a battery, and this is rechargeable. And also, pwede sad siya gamitan og AA batteries. So, which is very cool. And dimmable sad siya. Dili ma-adjust iyang lights, and dili nimo i-charge using the cord. Pwede na sad siya magamit og kanang whatever cord yung gigamit sa mobile phone, kay universal ra siya. Okay, so let's test this. All right. Test this item, and na diri sa babaw iyang power. So ato ang i-turn on. Okay, so if you've noticed ni blink siya, that means naka switch on na yung power. And sa iyang side, ang iyang control kay dimmable man siya. So, di lang ako i-focus ang LED diri sa camera kay glaring kay siya, but this is how bright it can go. So, as what you see, gamit yun siya. And kusog iyang lights nga produce. So this is the color yellow. Okay, so we're gonna switch it with kaning white nga filter. So akong tanggalon, and we're gonna switch this with color white. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, so very bright siya, and I think nawala na ganit ko sa lens kay tungod sa ka-bright. Okay, alright, so one practical aspect sa ani is it's not just for vlogging, but pwede din siya gamiton ninyong emergency light in case mag-brown out or whatever. So gamit kayo siya whenever you do things kung wala power source. So this is very good. So there are sellers sa Shopee nga nagbaligyag ani nga mas barato. However, you have to check sa product description kung apil ba ang battery. Kay if it's lesser than the usual, most likely wala naka-apil ang battery, and that you have to buy it from another seller or from that seller. So I usually recommend going for the item na kompleto na siya, such as this. And you can just search on Shopee o pila na yung current price. Basta kay it's less than 1,000 pesos. I bought this for 800 plus, and I used Shopee coins and other discount codes. So lesser pagid akong nabayaran. I just forgot the exact amount. So let's check this sa iyang itsura kung using the mobile nga vlogging setup. I'm using my phone lens case. Let's just pretend nga mo na yung cell phone, and then I have here the flexible tripod nga to sang feature and separate video, and then ang kaning Andover nga phone clip. So let's say man imong phone, you just have to slide it through the clip, and then sa ibabaw nato ibutang ang atoang kaning light, and then you just have to lock it and screw and lock para secured, and then you also have to secure the mga screws. So most likely inani na imuhang vlogging setup. So let's turn it on. So siya ginana. Okay. So hope you like this video today. Hope you're able to get insights, and if in case ganahan mo or nagplano mo palit ng inani, I would really suggest to get this from DH Photo. I think that's the name of the store. I'll just put it somewhere in the link. And then if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in today. Get back at this channel next week because we'll be featuring another item that I've ordered from Shopee. Bye bye.